This is meteorologist Dan Baumgart with the National Weather Service in La Crosse with a winter weather update. This is a look at what the current winter weather hazards are across the area. We see a large area of most of Wisconsin, Iowa, and Minnesota under a winter weather advisory for snow and blowing snow. That will continue through the evening hours. Also a blizzard warning across the Red River Valley up to about I-35. Currently, we're seeing snow falling through most of Wisconsin, on and off through southern Minnesota and central Minnesota. This snow is all moving off to the southeast. Winds out ahead of this Arctic front that's coming in have caused some blowing and drifting and some reduced visibilities over southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa. Behind this front, we do expect winds to increase to the 40 to 50 mile per hour range. And we are concerned about possibly more widespread whiteout conditions and very low visibilities in blowing snow this afternoon, which may cause us to upgrade this area to a blizzard warning. Currently, we are looking into that possibility as those impacts could be larger than intended east of I-35. Snowfall totals then 3 to 4 inches through central Minnesota, decreasing to 1 to 2 inches before it ends from west to east in the late afternoon and early evening hours as that Arctic front pushes in. Here is that Arctic front timing coming in by the early afternoon and spreading into Wisconsin. Behind that front, again, winds right now over central Minnesota are gusting into the 40 to 45 mile per hour range. We expect gusts to be possible to 50 miles per hour when that front comes through, and increase the blowing and drifting snow that we're seeing there now and the visibility reduction. So most impacts will be over southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa, where we are monitoring for possibly upgrading to a blizzard warning. Also, wind gusts we do expect to be slightly less, gusting to 40 miles per hour through the evening over Wisconsin behind this front. And that cold air is going to bring wind chills back to the minus 20 to minus 30 range overnight tonight. Here are those wind speeds, gusts to 45 miles per hour in this general area along I-90. So there will be some travel impacts, and then you can see the lighter wind gusts, but still in that hazardous range there where blowing and drifting snow will happen, especially on ridge tops. So the snow ends from west to east in late afternoon and early evening tonight, 2 to 4 inches along and north of Interstate 90 and about 1 to 2 inches elsewhere. The biggest concern we have right now is local whiteout conditions and blowing snow over southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa, and the potential upgrade to a blizzard warning where we could see travel almost come to a halt in more widespread whiteout conditions. And then the bitter cold returns tonight into Friday. Stick with the National Weather Service this afternoon. We will provide updates as frequently as possible for changing weather conditions.